Now we have mathematics today. The question says 3 consecutive positive integers a, b, and c are such that b squared equal to 4 in brackets a plus c. Find the value of c. Find the value of c. Now let's quickly solve this. Since they said consecutive positive integers, so let's take note of that. Consecutive positive integer means after the very first positive number, the next positive number, and the next positive number continues like that. But this time we should take note of 3 of them. So let's say, since the integers are a, b, and c, so let's take a to be equal to a, that's the very first integer. The second one, b, is equal to a plus 1, that's the very next integer. And the third one is c, a plus 2. Now, taking the formula given to us, b squared equal to 4 brackets a plus c. That means anywhere I see b, I'm going to put a plus 1. And anywhere I see c, I'm going to put a plus 2. Okay, so I have a plus 1 all squared here equal to 4 brackets. Since a is a, so a remains here. And c is a plus 2, so I have a plus 2 here. Now, expanding this, you're going to get a squared plus 2a plus 1. If you expand this, and you're going to get what here? 4 bracket a plus a, 2a plus 2. And so from here I have a squared plus 2a plus 1 equal to 4 times 2, that's 8a, plus 4 times 2, that's 8. And from here we can take like terms. In taking like terms now, we have a squared plus 2a minus 8a plus 1 minus 8 equal to 0. And so we have a squared plus, or minus, 2a minus 8a, that's minus 6a. Then 1 minus 8, that's minus 7 equal to 0. Now from what we have here, we're going to be using 7 and 1. So we have a squared, then we have plus a minus 7a, then minus 7 equal to 0. Now I'm factorizing, so taking this, we have a common here, we have a plus 1 here, minus 7 common here, we have a plus 1 here, equal to 0. Now from what we just did now, it's very simple. We'll take one of the brackets, a plus 1, and we'll take what is outside the bracket, then we have a minus 7 equal to 0. Now having done this, we can now say a plus 1 equal to 0, or a minus 7 equal to 0. Solving this down, we have a equal to what? Minus 1, or what? A is equal to plus 7. Now since we are dealing with positive integers, I'm not going to be using this. Rather, I'm going to be using this. Okay, so that's how we should look for the value of c. Recall that c is equal to a plus 2. And so since my a is 7, then I have c equal to what? 7 plus 2. So the final answer for c is 9.